to Dosage Calculation. So today we're going to be talking about multiplying fractions with labels. So let's say you got a problem, 15 bears over 12 cats times 16 dogs over 13 bears. Alright, how on earth are you going to do this? So what happens is because I have bears above and below the fraction line, right? That's the same unit. They're going to cross out, right? So, right, it's just like I got an eraser, erased it, and so now bears don't exist. It's just 15 times 16 dogs, and it's 12 cats times 13. And now you're just going to do that as a regular fraction. So 15 times 16 is going to be 240 watts. Well, the beauty of doing this way, the factor label way, is it tells you don't have to guess. This is one of the problems I see when students just memorize formulas. Squirrels? No. The formula would literally tell you, hey, it's going to be dogs, because that's the only unit that's left up top. Likewise, 13 times 12 is 156. 156 what? Oh, no, you don't have to guess. The problem literally tells you the only unit that's left on bottom is going to be cats. Right? Why? Because we erased the other unit, right? It's all gone when it canceled. Alright, let's see if you can't multiply this one. So 15 rabbits over 12 cats times 16 dogs over 13 rabbits. So what's going to happen? Because I have rabbits above and below my fraction line, right? This thing right here is called a fraction line. They're going to cancel. It's just like I got my eraser on. Right? Rabbits are all gone. They don't exist up top, right, because they canceled, and they don't exist down bottom. So I just have 15 times 16, what? Dogs. I just have 12 times 13, what? Cats. Right, because rabbits is all gone, right? So rabbits don't exist, they're all gone. And so 15 times 16 is 240, 240 what? Dogs. 12 times 15 is 156. 156 what? Cats. That's the only unit that I got right there. And so it makes it very easy for you to know exactly what unit you got. And there's the answer, just as it said. 240 dogs over 156 cats. Alright, let's see if you can't figure this one out. I got 1 rabbit over 52 cats, and I got 16 cats over 13 pencils. So up top, what's going to happen? I got 1 rabbit times 16 cats all over 52 cats times 13 pencils. Well, guess what? I have cats above and below the fraction line. So I'm going to erase it because it canceled, right? It's all gone. Cats do not exist. So I'm going to read this as 1 times 16. That's going to be 16. 16 what? Rabbits. Alright, 52 times 13 is going to be 676 what? Well, not cats. Cats is all gone. I erased it, right? It's pencils, because that's the only unit I have left. So 676 pencils. And that's exactly what I got here. What happens if you have a multi-step fraction, right? The ones I showed you before, they were just 2 steps. What happens if I got 1, 2, 3, 4 different fractions I'm multiplying, or I could say 27 different fractions I'm multiplying? How on earth am I going to do that? I'll give you a second to figure it out. You're literally going to do exactly what you did before, nothing different. And so you're going to go through this problem and say, I see cats above and below the fraction line. I'm going to erase them. I'm going to cancel them. They're all gone, right? I see pencils above and below the fraction line. I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to erase it. They're all gone. All right, now you go to the next year. I see cupcakes above and below the fraction line. They don't exist. I'm going to erase it. All gone, right? And that's literally all there is to it. And now you just multiply across. 1 times 16 times 23 times 91. I don't know what the number is, but that's going to be rabbits. Well, why isn't it cats? Because I erased those. Why isn't it pencils? I erased those. Why isn't it cupcakes? I erased those, right? Those units have all canceled. They're all gone. The only unit they have left up top is rabbits. So whatever this number is, it's going to be equal to the number of rabbits. Now what about down bottom? Same song and dance as before. I'm going to do 52 times 13 times 17 times 15. I don't know what that number is, but whatever that number is, It's going to be zoo. Why isn't it cats? Because I erased it. It's all gone. Why isn't it pencils? Because I erased it. It's all gone. Why isn't it cupcakes? Because I erased it. It's all gone. The only unit that we got left down bottom is zoo. That's it. So when I multiplied all those numbers together, I got 33,488 rabbits all over 172,380 zoos. Alright, and that's how you do it. And it doesn't matter how long your formula is, whether you have 2 fractions or 102 fractions, it's going to work exactly the same way. Alright, that concludes today's episode. If you liked what you heard, be sure to click the subscribe and like button down below. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if there's any particular topic you'd like me to create a video on, let me know in the comments down below. All right, well, I look forward to seeing you on my next podcast.